having the creamy chicken Alfredo casserole for supper tonight, y'all. I've got the chicken started in the Instant Pot. We're gonna go ahead and cook the pasta here. While that's cooking, I'm gonna clean out the closet over here. It's almost time that we'll be needing coats and stuff, and some have fallen off down into the bottom of the closet, so we're gonna get everything, like this one is about to fall, this hoodie. We're gonna get everything hung back up and organized, and some of this stuff down here at the bottom is like spring and summer decorations that need to be packed up and taken down to the shed. And I'll see if any of these coats need to be washed. I did a big load of coats probably about 3 or 4 weeks ago, the ones that were in the laundry room, like this one, and I think this one. I washed those. See some 4th of July celebration stuff up there. And I think this is spring and Easter. Yeah, that's my carrot 3-tier tray. So we're gonna get this organized. Christmas pillow. Also need to make sure everybody, I don't know how these coats fall off here. It's weird. We also have a fan in there that doesn't belong in there. There's mainly sunglasses. I need to keep those. Okay, come get them.
These ones are mine.
One of my quilts got thrown in there. Does this headlamp work? Nope, it needs batteries. I forgot about this tablecloth on the last summer holiday. I need to see if this still fits Manly. Hey Manny, come here. Back up, let me see. Step over there and turn around. Hold your arms out. Yep, it still fits.
And look at the hat, it got smushed, too sad.
Yeah, too sad. Let me see if the water's ready for my pasta over there. Yep, we're ready. I just need 12 ounces, so not quite this whole 16-ounce box. And I always find lots of hats when I clean out this closet. He got here just in time to take over finishing that up. I'll go over to my pasta.
All right, Mama. Let's see.
Okay, are we done over here? Yep, and the chicken's done. Turn that off. And I'm just gonna scoot it off the heat. We'll drain it here in just a minute. I'll go ahead and preheat the oven to 350.
Everything looks good when I put them all.
Well, I gotta be honest with you, you really look cool right there with your rodeo shirt. Do you feel cool in them or not? It doesn't make you feel cool? Okay. Probably Monday before I can come. I got a rope, I gotta go do a little catching for a farm, and then once we catch him, we'll load the horses up, come on down there and see what we can do for you, cow there.
We're also gonna make sweet potatoes. So Sissy's getting those washed off, and she's gonna poke them with a fork for me, and we'll get them started in the Instant Pot while we have the casserole going in the oven. I'm about to shred the chicken. When you get them washed and poked, Sissy, you can just put them right over here in the Instant Pot. We just need 1 cup of water in there with them, okay?
Okay.
I'm just gonna spray this 9x13 casserole dish.
That way, I got my other one in there. Yeah, that was a, did I buy that one for you?
Gets a little crazy busy around here in the afternoons. When school gets done, people start getting home, supper's getting cooked. It's a little wild.
Watermelon is good.
Yes, watermelon is good. That little watermelon I got from Walmart that Jonah was making fun of because it was so little, it was a really good one. Okay, we got the chicken shredded. Oh, you got the potatoes in here, Cece? I'm gonna go 17 minutes on our potatoes. Those are a little bit bigger, so I want them to get nice and soft. Let me just go 18. We'll go 18.
Where's Starbucks?
Yours is probably in, did you look in Daddy's closet? In this bowl, we're gonna mix some baby spinach. I'm just kind of breaking it up a little bit as I put it in the bowl. You can get a knife and chop it though if you want to. I'm just doing it this way. Okay.
I'm gonna help you.
This, we're gonna put in this jar of basil pesto. I think we'll just go with about half of this jar. It's a 6.7 ounce. So we'll just do half. See, so you can stir all that together.
Okay. This one?
Just do about half of that jar. While she's mixing that, I'm gonna mix our jar of Alfredo sauce with 1 cup of chicken broth. I'm just gonna mix that with the pasta in the pot that we cooked the pasta in. Just pour pour this in here, and I'll pour the cup of chicken broth inside here and shake this really good so we get all the Alfredo sauce out of there.
Ooh, that looks good.
I'm just gonna eyeball a cup here. This was a 16-ounce jar, so about half of this jar. Just give this a good shake. Add that in. There you go. I'm gonna add the chicken in here, Sissy.
Okay.
We just needed about 2.5 cups of chicken. I might have a little bit too much here. Go ahead and stir that in. See, oh, you can taste it. Go ahead and stir that in and see what we got. More chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. While she's mixing that, I'm gonna put in just a little bit of salt and pepper. Smelling good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
About a teaspoon of paprika, maybe a half a teaspoon there, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. What? It's making you sneeze? No. Oh, you keep dropping pasta. I'm pouring just a little bit of what was left in the Alfredo sauce jar in the bottom. We're gonna put the spinach and pesto on top of that. Okay, now we're gonna put the chicken and pasta on top of this. And it's going to go in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Our chicken is hot. If you use a cold, like a rotisserie chicken that's already been cooled down, you might need to go about 30 minutes so that your chicken gets really hot. But ours was hot because it just came out of the Instant Pot, so I'm thinking we'll just need about 20 minutes in there. And then we're going to put some mozzarella cheese on top. We just mostly want to get the sauce nice and warm, and then we'll melt some cheese on top.
Looking good. That's hot.
Did you get some of the spinach and pesto at the bottom?
That's fantastic. That's good. What more can I say?
You have a heart.
We have a heart here, folks. We're on the trail. There it is. If you're watching out there, y'all comment on the video so we'll know who you are. We're on our evening walk here. There's not going to be any handstands or racing today because I've been shoeing horses all day. And I mean, we shot a bunch of them. He's wanting to race me?
I'll race you all the way over there today.
You'll beat me today there, shorty.